Hello students, here we are going to learn about modal verbs that are can, could, shall, should, must, have to, may and might. First one is can. Can is used to show ability. For example, I can run very fast and I can drive the car. For permission or request, for example, can I smoke in here? Yes, you can. For logical conclusion, for example, this cannot be Kavya because she is in France. Next one is could. Could is used to show ability in the past. For example, I could skate when I was young, but now I cannot. Second, polite question. For example, could you please smoke in here? Next, logical conclusion in the past. For example, this could not have been Kavya, you show, because she is in France. For speculation about the past, for example, I could have studied maths because my grades were good. Next is must. Use it when the speaker decide what is necessary. For obligation, for example, you must listen to your English teacher. For logical conclusion, for example, you must be tired after this 9-hour trip. Must plus not is equal to strong prohibition. For example, you must not smoke in here. For speculation about the past, for example, you must have been tired after this trip. Next is have to. Have to is used when the necessity comes from the situation. It is used for obligation. For example, you have to finish your homework. They had finished their homework. For lack of obligation, for example, you don't have to do your homework today. Next, they did not have to finish their homework. Next one is may. May is used to show possibility. For example, she may go to the cinema. Prohibition, you may not smoke here. For permission, may I use your pen? For speculation about the past, for example, she may have been at school, but I didn't see her. Next one is might. Might is used for possibility. She might buy a BMW. For speculation about the past, she might have seen the movie if he didn't stop her. Next is shall. For future reference, we shall overcome all obstacles. For polite question, for example, shall I take you leave soon? Next is should. Should is used for polite request. For example, should I hold the door for you? For speculation about the past, for example, I should have listened to you.